Here's how to set a charge limit on your iPhone. Now let's head into the settings of your iPhone. Keep in mind, Apple does suggest that you keep that limit of the battery to about 80 or 90%. This helps to prolong the life of your iPhone battery. Keeping it within about 20% and 80% is the sweet spot. So we can always set that by going to battery here, and then we're going to scroll down to charging, and you can see charge limit, and mine is set to 100%. In this case, it has the little green tick next to 90%, and you can see when I do that, it turns off the optimized battery charging. Keep in mind, your iPhone might suggest a charge limit, in my case 90%, but if you've never done this before, I would recommend turning it all the way down to 80%. And then just see a couple different days. If you use up all of that battery and you need to charge it midday, you can bump it up to 85 or 90%. But the best for the longevity of your iPhone is to keep it at that 80% charge limit. This will help to prolong it years and years down the road if you plan to keep your iPhone for a while.